How to fix Dasher app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if Dasher application is not working properly in your device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If your application does not function properly, the first thing you have to make sure that if the application is updated to its latest version or not. So to check that, open a Play Store in your device. Tap in the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Dasher. Then tap on Dasher. Now, if you find update button where I have opened, that means the application needs update. Tap on update. Once the application is updated, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still the application does not work properly, the second thing that you have to do is you have to clear the caches. For that, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Here, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, all the glitches from the application will be cleared, which will help you solve your problem. Now, open up the application and check whether if it's working properly or not. If still not, the last option is to delete or uninstall the application from the device and reinstall it back from Google Play Store. For that, again navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info and then tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK. Once you delete this application, now you have to reinstall it from Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store, search for application and reinstall, and then you can restart your device after that. Then open up the application. Now your application will work fine. So that's the way to fix if your Dasher application is not working properly. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.